Yes, let's dive into today's video. In this video, I'm going to give you the three to four things you have to think about whenever you think about getting more viewers on your YouTube channel. Because from the viewers is where we get the subscribers. So be very unique. So follow this video up to the end. And the first thing you have to think about whenever you are bringing a video to your audience or to your channel. Number one, to myself, make sure you match with your niche in every video you are uploading to YouTube. Make sure you match with your niche in every video you're bringing to your channel. This is because it will help the YouTube system, the YouTube algorithm, to ensure that this person is really in search of viewers who like the kind of videos talking about A, B, C, D. That is your niche. The system knows each and everyone's common searches. So make sure you have that system via always matching with your niche in every video you're bringing to YouTube. Another thing that you can use to have more viewers on your YouTube channel, on your videos that you upload to YouTube. Because here the target is viewers, is always viewers. Always think about viewers before thinking about the subscribers. Yes, both of the two are our main target, but the viewers are the key to getting the subscribers. Another thing is all about match your videos with the topic, the description, and the keywords. But here, the topic and the keywords is very, very, very vital in every video, because it is the keywords that tells the system that really this video, take this video to people who like videos talking about A, B, C, D. For example, if you see the keywords in this video, in this very video I'm recording to you, you will find out that my keywords are talking about YouTube growth, talking about getting more viewers, getting more subscribers, and so forth and so on. And in the keywords, try to make sure you be brief, precise, and relevant. Another thing, when you come to thinking about how to get more viewers on your channel, lower your mind. Think about what will make it. Be like you are the system. Try to upload videos that are more engaging. So, try to record videos, match the title, the topic, the keywords, the description, the hashtags, the tags. Yes, all of those are supposed to be matching with your niche, because the system is going to take your video to people who are searching content of that kind of videos you are uploading. Try to make sure that all the videos you upload are matching with your niche. Another thing here, which works 100% if you do it the right way, it is the comment section. That is my number 3 in this video. The first one was always match your videos in the same niche you are using to your channel. Make sure your niche, the videos are matching with your niche. The second one was match your topic, description, and the keywords, hashtags, and so forth and so on. Make sure they are relevant, they match with your niche. The first is making videos that match with your niche. The second is making topic, description, the keywords that match with your niche. Another thing was all about using the comment section. This is very, very crucial. It works 100%. That's why you need to view videos up to the end, because match or ask yourself that if you have just viewed the other two and left these two, and remember with this number 3, it works 100%. 100%, because most of my viewers, to be honest, I got most of my subscribers from the comment sections. Go to someone's comment section, go to someone's channel, view a full video, understand what is really the video all about. Don't just tap on it and subscribe, then you come to the comment section, you comment without even first knowing what is the video all about. First, make sure you view a video from the start up to the end. Don't skip. Don't skip. Then after all, you come to the comment section, make a comment according to the comments of others. The YouTube counts all the output we put whenever we come to our channels, whenever we are viewing others' video. This is the output that the system counts. That's why it always informs you about the hours you have spent on it. I will come up with practical videos very soon. I'm coming up with practical videos. So first think about the following I'm talking about. So to save time, I'm still talking about the comment section, because my dear, if you view others' videos, you comment, you like, then you go to the comment section. Don't just come to the comment section and say, done and waiting, sub and waiting, sub and waiting. No, it's not all about that. You can be even the first person to go to someone's channel, view the video, subscribe to him. After subscribing to him or her, then you can say done and waiting. And it's not a must that every person you view his or her video is going to subscribe to your channel, because it's a two-way traffic. It is a load of two-way. I subscribe to you, you subscribe to me. But if you subscribe to me without first viewing any of my videos from the start up to the end, it won't work. It won't work. My dear, be very, very sensitive with this hack of using the comment sections to get the viewers and the subscribers. Because if you don't view my video up to the end and you subscribe to me, I will come to your channel, view a full video, comment on it, like it. That means I'm a unique viewer to you and you are not a unique viewer to me. Turn on the notifications so that the person you are following, the person you subscribe to, is going to get in track with you. You are going to move on the same pace, so that the system recognizes you as a unique viewer to the other person. And once someone is seeing you in his or her comment section all the time, he's going to come and subscribe to you. It's not must that the day you subscribe to me is the same day I'm going to subscribe to you. But make sure you are also active, you are consistent, you are uploading videos all the time. And our last thing under the comment section, never share your channel link to anyone. Even if that person is your student, even if that person you are the inspirer of him or her, please do all the practices, but don't share your channel link to that person. No. You're going to confuse the algorithm. You're going to confuse the YouTube system. The system knows each and everything that is going and that is taking place in your channel. And here the problem is, you're going to share your channel to someone who is not in love with that kind of content you're dealing with. For example, you may take my video to someone who is good at watching football videos. You may take my channel or my video, for example like this one, to someone who is good at watching gospel music, who is good at watching dance, who is good at making funny videos. So don't share your channel, don't share your channel link to anyone and in any way. I know majority of us, we have that ignorance, thinking that it is we to make our channels go to more viewers and subscribers. No, it is the system to make your channel go to more subscribers and viewers. It is a two-way traffic also. Viewers are the ones that when they see that your content is really sensitive, they are the ones that are going to watch your videos. So let us save time. We meet in the next video. If this video have been of help to you, please subscribe to me, turn on the notifications, like the video, come to my comment section and say vibes. Shout out to Madam Sonia because he's one of my mentors, and other people. So keep in touch with me. I love you. Come to my comment section, talk about each and everything that anything you feel like you need. Thank you for viewing my video. Please subscribe to me. Come to my comment section and comment vibes. Thank you very much. We meet in the next video.